Hello everyone, welcome back to TechMesh. Today we are diving into a really handy tip for your smartphone, how to stop all incoming calls without turning on flight or airplane mode. So first, why you might want to do this? Well, flight mode cuts off all your connection, and especially when you turn on the flight mode, you cannot use your mobile data. So I will show you that how you can stop all incoming call without turning it on. All right. So this video is applicable for both Android and iPhone. I will show you with both of these devices. So let's begin with the Android one first. All right. So first, the easiest way and the obvious way is to turn on the do not disturb mode. But when you turn on the do not disturb mode, then the thing is the call will still come, but you won't see the notification. So if you want to have that, then you can do it. Or I will show you another method by which you can completely turn off the call settings of your phone. All right. So first, if you just go to the settings of your do not disturb mode. So let me just go to the, here you can see, here is the do not disturb. You can also like go to your settings of your device and search for the do not disturb mode there. So let me just go to the settings of the device. So here we mainly need to search for do not disturb mode. So here if you just turn on the do not disturb mode, then you can see that call and messages what you want to allow. So if you just tap on call and messages, you can here like select calls. So under calls, you can select like none. You can also select favorite. So you can add your favorite contacts here. Here you can add your favorite contacts. Then you can block any other calls, but your call from the favorites will still come through. And you can also like here select contacts only, or you can also select all. So this is with the do not disturb mode. But the thing is when you turn off the do not disturb mode, then all of your existing call notification, you can again see it. And another option is to like completely turn off the call option. So for that, you again need to go to the settings of your device. So here I am in the settings of my Android device. So here you need to search for call forwarding. So here you can see call forwarding. So you can find it under call settings. So the interface could be different depending on your device. So I am using an Samsung smartphone. Your brand might vary, but you can search it by like call forwarding, and you should like able to find it under your settings of your device. So here you can see like call forwarding. So just tap on the call forwarding, and then here it is saying allow SIM1 to send and receive mobile data. So let's click on allow. So here are two options. So let's select the voice call. So if you are like opening it for the first time, it might take a couple of seconds. So here always forward. So here just click on always forward and then set a number that is not valid, like that is not currently in use, but the number format should be valid. So let me just, for example, put a random number here. Let's say I'm typing a random number. So I know that this number is not valid because whenever someone will call me, the call will be forwarded to this number which is not valid, so the call will not come to me. So let's turn it on. So we have like turned on the call forwarding. So let me show you how it will work. So let me just call this number that I have like right now set to call forwarding. So it is saying in Bangla that the number I have called is now turned off and is currently unavailable. But you can see that my SIM network is showing perfectly fine and I can like use mobile data and everything. So now I will show you the same step using my iPhone. So just go to the settings in your iPhone and then search for do not disturb mode. So here you can see do not disturb, and under do not disturb just tap on people, and here you can see allow notification from. So here you can like select your favorite contacts, and then you can here select like allow calls from, select like favorites or contacts only, or like allowed people only. So by this you can like customize how the do not disturb mode will work and who can reach you when you turn on the do not disturb mode. And if you like completely want to turn off all incoming calls, then you mainly need to go to the settings of your device. Let's go to the settings again. And now here search for call forwarding. All right, so after coming to the call forwarding here, just here turn on the call forwarding and here select forward to. So here like type a dummy number that is not active. So let me just type a dummy number here. The digit should be like actual, otherwise you cannot like select it. So I have selected a dummy number that I know is not active. So now if we just go back, here you can see call forwarding is turned on and the call will be forwarded to this dummy number, which we know is not currently in service. So let me show you how it will work. I will now call you with another device to this device, and I will show you how the call forwarding will affect or take place. So here you can see that the call is not coming through. Let me again call this device again. So here you can see it is saying call forwarded and it is not working. And there you have it. These effective ways will help you to stop all incoming calls without switching to airplane mode. So try them out and see which one works best for your lifestyle. And if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button and also let me know that in the comment section that how it helped you. And also please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.